Good day everyone. Learn how to create a local admin account through command prompt, and it is really very easy, just like a cakewalk. Please make sure that you watch the whole video, and I'm sure you will also say that it's really very easy to create a local admin account with administrative rights through command prompt. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. And this will work on Windows 11, Windows 10, or all versions of Windows. All right. So click on the search icon and type CMD and then run as administrator. Once you do that, it will ask you to say yes, and please make sure you run the command prompt as an administrator. And here we need to type net space, and I will mention these things in the description as well, so that you can copy and paste it. All right. So here you have typed net space user space the account name which you want to give. So let's say I'll mention admin Jimmy. So this is the username. So net space user space admin Jimmy. This is the name I have given, a demo name. Then we need to give a space and then give a asterisk. I'll maximize it so that you can type asterisk, then space /add. All right. Now I'll just hit enter, and then it will ask you to enter the password. Now please remember, while entering the password, it will look like that it's not getting entered, but it will get entered. So I'll just quickly mention my password, and I'll hit enter. Then again it will ask you to retype the password. I'll enter the same password, and it says the command completed successfully. Now the account has been created. Now we will make this account as administrator, a admin account. Right. So here we need to type net space local group space administrators. Please watch the spelling. Check the description and from here as well. Please make sure that you do not make any mistake. So administrators, TRATORS, administrators space the username which we have given. So here we had given admin Jimmy. So I'll type admin Jimmy, net space local group space administrator space admin Jimmy space /add, and we just have to hit enter. Now it says the command successfully, and we have successfully created a admin account, a administrator account through the command prompt, and we have also set the password. Now since you will be doing this in first time, that's why it might take few minutes, but once you are done, you will find, after creating 2-3 times, you will find it is really very easy to create a user account through command prompt. Guys, if you think that this tutorial is helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. And please do let me know if you have any issues with the computer. You can tell me the topics, and I'll try my best to create tutorials and fixes on that. Right. Have a wonderful day. Take care.